हिशोबात पूर्ण पैसा वसूल.
An awesome track, awesome place to come over here. And it was actually very much challenging, and it tested the limits of my bike and myself.
Everyone had fun. So did I.
Everything went on time. We had a few crashes, but then still that is a part and parcel of the whole thing.
Coming here is completely a great experience. Like I've explored magnificent kinds of terrain.
It was a good experience, and this kind of event should be continued for next year also. We are hoping for it.
ये event बहुत ही बढ़िया था.
About the experience, why I loved it, the track was fantastic.